Easy peasy, learning English can be fun. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and simple. Today, we're going to unpack a phrase you've probably heard before, easy peasy. You might be wondering what it means, when to use it, and where it comes from. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be using easy peasy like a native speaker. The phrase, easy peasy, is a playful way to say that something is very easy or takes no effort at all. It's often used by children and adults alike to add a fun twist to the conversation. When you say something is easy peasy, you're not just saying it's simple, you're also imparting a cheerful vibe to your statement. So, where did this quirky expression come from? Easy peasy is said to originate from a British commercial for a dishwashing product in the 1950s. The product was advertised as being as simple as easy peasy, lemon squeezy, to use, emphasizing its effectiveness without effort. The rhyme caught on, and now easy peasy is part of everyday English. You can use easy peasy in informal situations when you want to express that something is not difficult. For example, after you finish a simple task, I finished setting up my email account, it was easy peasy. When giving someone instructions, just plug it in and press start, easy peasy. To reassure someone, don't worry about the test, it'll be easy peasy. Remember, it's not appropriate for formal situations, but it's perfect for casual conversations or when talking to kids. Let's look at some examples of how easy peasy can be used in sentences. Learning to ride a bike was easy peasy for her. I thought making a pie would be hard, but it was easy peasy. Fixing the leak was not as easy peasy as I thought it would be. By hearing easy peasy in different contexts, you can get a better feel for how to use it yourself. That's all on easy peasy for today. I hope this video makes using this fun expression easy peasy for you. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English phrases and idioms. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.